Hello, students. Today I'll explain the poem My Shadow, which is written by Robert Louis Stevenson, a famous Scottish writer of the 19th century. In this poem, he describes the excitement of a child who finds joy in the company of his own shadow. Shadow means parchai, a dark figure or image on the surface that is formed when something stands between the light and the surface. Let's begin the poem. I have a little shadow that goes in and out with me. In this line, the poet says that he has a shadow which is small in size and it always follows him. Means wherever he goes, it moves along with him, it doesn't leave him alone. And what can be the use of him is more than I can see. Here, the poet says that he is unable to understand the use of shadow except it follows him everywhere. Means he can only see it. ਮੀਨਸ ਕਿ ਉਹ ਆਪਣੀ ਪਰਛਾਈ ਨੂੰ ਸਿਰਫ ਵੇਖ ਸਕਦਾ ਹੈ, ਇਸ ਤੋਂ ਇਲਾਵਾ ਉਸ ਨੂੰ ਇਸ ਦੀ ਕੋਈ ਹੋਰ ਯੂਜ਼ ਨਜ਼ਰ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਉਂਦੀ. ਹੀ ਇਜ਼ ਵੈਰੀ ਵੈਰੀ ਲਾਈਕ ਮੀ ਫਰੋਮ ਦ ਹੀਲਸ ਅਪ ਟੂ ਦ ਹੈਡ ਐਂਡ ਆਈ ਸੀ ਹਿਮ ਜੰਪ ਬਿਫੋਰ ਮੀ ਵੈਨ ਆਈ ਜੰਪ ਇਨ ਟੂ ਮਾਈ ਬੈਡ. The poet says his shadow is same like him from the feet to the head. In other words, it resembles him. He notices that his shadow does the same things as he does. For example, when he jumps on his bed, the shadow does the same as well. The funniest thing about him is the way he likes to grow, not at all like proper children, which is always very slow. The poet finds a very funny thing about his shadow, and that is the way his shadow likes to grow. Means its growth is not proper like children. We all know that children grow gradually, very slowly, but he finds that his shadow keeps changing its size. For he sometimes shoots up taller like an India rubber ball, and he sometimes gets so little that there is none of him at all. Here the poet compares his shadow to a rubber ball that bounces very high. He says sometimes his shadow grows very tall like Indian rubber ball, and sometimes it turns small that it becomes invisible and he cannot see it at all. One morning, very early before the sun I was up, I rose and found the shining dew on every buttercup. Buttercup means yellow flower. In this last stanza, the poet says that one morning he woke up very early, before sunrise, means before the sun was up in the sky, and he saw shiny, fresh dew drops on the yellow flowers. But my lazy little shadow, like an errant sleepyhead, had stayed at home behind me and was fast asleep in bed. In these last lines, he calls his shadow lazy, which is like an errant sleepyhead. Errant means bad. And sleepyhead is the child or the person who is very lazy, who looks very tired and wakes up very late in the morning. So one morning he got up early before sunrise and but his shadow remained in his room on the bed. Means his shadow didn't wake up and follow him that early morning. It kept sleeping in the bed. Students, these lines show the innocence of the poet as a child. That's why he found his shadow missing that early morning, because we all know that shadow is not formed in the absence of light. So students, I hope you all have understood this poem. So thank you so much for listening.